The P0340 code indicates a problem with the camshaft position sensor. This sensor is crucial because it tells the car's computer the exact position of the engine valves, which helps synchronize spark and fuel injection. When this code appears, it means there is a malfunction in the camshaft position sensor circuit, either a missing or erratic signal. The symptoms are obvious. The check engine light will illuminate. You may experience difficulty starting the engine, especially when hot. The engine may stall unexpectedly, or you might notice a significant loss of power and poor acceleration. So, what do we do if the P0340 appears on your scanner? The first thing to do is run the code with an OBD2 scanner to confirm. The most common cause is a faulty camshaft position sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its connector for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. It's also crucial to inspect the sensor's wiring. Damaged wires or a poor connection could be the culprits. It's crucial that you don't ignore the P0340 code. A faulty camshaft sensor can lead to severe engine malfunction and, in the worst case, costly internal damage if engine timing is completely thrown off. You could end up with valves hitting the pistons. Addressing this problem immediately is vital to the health of your engine.